Hey guys, so today I'm getting different flavors of Goldfish because me and Selena are gonna do a Goldfish challenge. So yeah, I'm gonna Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the Goldfish challenge with my little sister Selena. We have 13 flavors here, so let's get started. Okay, let's wear a mask.
Okay. Hello. Hello, everybody.
Okay, we're ready for the first flavor. First flavor.
Okay.
Okay,
Good.
Take one, Selena.
These are big.
I know what this is.
What? It tastes like chips.
Okay, I think it's extra cheddar mega. It's felt big. Okay, we're ready for the next one.
So I'm wearing a new mask.
Yeah, her mask kept falling off. It was too big, so we got her new mask.
It's a blue mask.
We're ready for the next
Okay.
flavor.
This is second flavor.
Where is it? Okay, I can see the box.
Can you feel it? Here. I'll try it when you get it.
I got it.
Okay. Oh, I know what this is. I know exactly what this is.
I also know it.
Okay, what do you think it is?
I think it's spicy.
Is that your final guess?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is jalapeno popper.
Okay.
I don't like the jalapeno popper.
Yeah, I don't like that one either. It didn't taste very good.
Okay.
Yeah, no one likes it.
Third flavor. Uh-oh.
This Bill,
Sorry.
That's okay.
Selena, take one out.
Ah.
Smells good.
Oh, this is the sweet one. Cupcake.
I think this is s'mores.
S'mores.
Kind of tastes like marshmallows from cereal. This is definitely s'mores.
Yeah, it's definitely s'more. It was really good.
Yeah, that one was really good.
Yeah, it was like some cupcake.
Okay. Fourth flavor.
I want to know what this is.
I know what this is. I wonder what this is too.
It tastes like nothing.
Yeah, it tastes like nothing.
I'm gonna say this is original.
I'm gonna say this.
Fifth flavor.
Okay.
I got it first.
Where's? Okay, I'm gonna take one.
Okay, I'm eating it. Pizza.
Yeah, that's definitely pizza. That's my favorite.
My favorite's also pizza.
This is a sixth one.
I'm excited to taste it.
Yeah, me too. It feels like a Mickey Mouse flavor, right?
I don't know. I need to try another one.
Me too. I know it too, so let me just get another one too.
Oh, I know what this is.
What?
Definitely Mickey Mouse.
Seventh flavor.
Okay.
I wonder which one this is.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna taste. It kind of looks like some other pizza one, right?
Yeah.
Pizza.
It tastes like pizza, but it's a little plain.
Yeah.
So, I'll go with pizza again.
Pizza.
Okay. Eighth flavor.
Rainbow. It's definitely rainbow with Lena.
Oh, the one I just put in my mouth tastes kind of weird.
Yeah, but it's rainbow.
Okay, I'll go with rainbow as well. The next
It's ninth.
I wonder which one this. It's really big. I can feel it's really big with Lena.
Oh yeah, that feels pretty good.
Mmm.
This one's cheesy.
No,
I don't like
Okay.
it.
no, it tastes
Um,
like cheesy.
It was definitely big, so it's mega cheddar?
Yeah, maybe it's
Mega
cheddar.
cheesy cheddar? I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know it.
Okay.
Probably.
It's a 10th flavor.
It's like let me put in my hand. This is it. I will help you, I think. Huh.
Oh, what is this?
There's some hard bits, Atlanta. Right? On the back.
I don't like it. I think this is Parmesan. Parmesan cheese. Ready for the next one?
Yeah, it's not really good, Alina.
Yeah.
11th flavor.
Okay. I have no clue what this is.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. But
How you can read, Selena?
I don't know how to read. I think it's
Small. Really small.
I go with sour.
I think it's small cheddar, baby cheddar.
It's not baby cheddar.
It feels small and it tastes really cheesy.
12th.
Okay.
And
This one, it tastes like chocolate.
no, it's s'mores. I can't say it's more. It's more, Atlanta.
It tastes like chocolate. I already said s'mores, but this tastes more like it. So I'll say s'mores again.
Okay, this is the last one. 13th flavor.
What is this?
It's like a little round, right?
I think this is baby cheddar.
Yeah, it's baby cheddar. Definitely, Atlanta, it's baby cheddar. Can I take off my mask?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard my
I have my hair.
So I'm gonna count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 points. I got 11 of them correct. And Selena got 4 of them wrong. So she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Selena got 9 points. So I won! Okay, wait. No, actually, Selena got Parmesan wrong. She didn't know what it was. And original, she said sour. And on this one, she said chips. She got this cheddar jalapeno wrong.
Chippy.
And on pretzel, none of us got it. It didn't even taste like pretzels.
It tastes like nothing.
Yeah, so those are the results.
Let me.
She knew about Mickey. Did you know about original? Okay, she knew about original. She knew about this one. She said it's big. And she knew about baby. She knew about s'mores. She knew about both of the pizzas. And she said spicy for this one, and it's jalapeno, so it counts. And I don't know if she got this one.
I got that right.
So me and Selena are ranking our favorites right now. These are mine. What are your favorites?
I like cupcake. And I like rainbow. And I like Mickey.
Original.
I like original.
That's a baby cheddar.
I like baby cheddar and pizza. And s'mores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7.
So my favorite is extra blasted cheesy pizza. Then I like cupcake. Then I like normal pizza. Then I like s'mores. Then I like mega cheddar jalapeno bites. And then I like sharp cheddar mega bites. And me and Selena had a lot of fun doing this challenge, this Goldfish challenge. It was really fun guessing flavors. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching us do this.
And we
'cause
can
it was
eat all of them.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.